Spirit divine, attend our prayer and make our hearts thy home. Descend with all thy gracious power. Come, Holy Spirit, come. Come as the lights to us reveal our sinfulness and woe, and lead us in those parts of life where all the righteous go.